Here's the headlights before we change the globes. Michael from Kalani here. Today we're going to change the headlight globes in this car to make them a little bit brighter at night. Alright, first let's open the bonnet. In behind here is where the headlight globe is. Now we've already been up to Repco, get some globes. So we'll take the cover this off. There's a little spring clip in here. Just use one finger, push that back out of the road, and grab the globe and wiggle it out. There we are, so that's the old globe. Right, here's the new globes. Let's open our little packet. Now it's important not to touch these glass lenses with your fingers. The oils from your finger will melt onto the glass and destroy it. So just hold it from the back, wiggle that out of its little holder, put this one aside because you're going to need to put that on the other side. This is a triangular type shape. Two bottom ones go down the bottom, upper locator goes in the top. So you just hold it from the plug, put it in here, put it into place. Now we're going to put the wire holder back in. Just pushes in and clips in under that tab there. Now this is the dust and water boot cover. It's very important this goes back on, or next time maybe washing under the car or there's lots of rain around, water will get in there and destroy your headlight wiring. Just push our headlight back on, put the rubber boot in place, push it all in, and that one's done. Alright, let's do it again on the other side. Alright, so here we've got to undo this clip. Just push it and pull it up to the top. So just pivot across. I'm going to hold it out of the way with my one hand. In one hand I'm going to wiggle it out with the other. And here's the old globe. Just put it aside temporarily. We'll get our new globe. Now do remember not to touch the lens on here. Your oil on your fingerprints, on your fingers will destroy this globe. So hold it from the back. This one goes in with the two down the bottom and the center locator at the top. So we slide this in into the headlight, push it into the locator grooves. Now we're going to reinstall the clip, and this just pushes in and down. And now that's now installed. We'll put our rubber boot back on. And this helps keep the water out of the back of the headlight. There we go, push that back on, reapply the rubber boot, push that in. We collected our bits and pieces, and now we're done. Alright, here's the headlights after we've changed them. They're a little bit brighter and a little bit clearer. Alright, thanks for watching. If you'd like my video, give it a share, give it a like. Thank you.